how are folks receiving that information, and just so that you're aware.
They're a phenomenal group of 16 individuals who just bought into this.
This is WKU Student COVID-19 Task Force. Dean of Students Lynne Holland says it made sense to gather students from all four corners of campus to help navigate the pandemic.
Residential students, commuter students, athletes, non-athletes, people who have different majors, they represent different colleges.
Senior Maya Peoples says she was nominated for the task force by her advisor for Black Women of Western, one of several groups she's affiliated with on campus.
Come together and kind of be like a focus group for the broader part of campus so people know what's going on in individual groups through the eyes of the students.
Will Downing, president of Phi Delta Theta, says the task force is looking for ways to motivate and encourage students during this unusual semester.
We all have the same goal of staying on campus, and not just being able to stay on campus and kind of for it to be a day-to-day survival thing, but for students to have a positive experience.
Being 6 weeks in with all these restrictions, People says it's become more important than ever to provide support.
For the most part, I feel like everybody's at the point where they have mask fatigue. They don't want to wear their masks anymore. They're still doing it, but it's not as fun, it's not as cool.
And yes, there is an element of fatigue. We wouldn't be human if we didn't think, wow, how much longer? Well, we don't know. We don't know how much longer, and as a result, we're just gonna do it.
Meeting once every 2 weeks via Zoom, the task force members offer feedback and strategize different messages, encouraging students to hang in there and stay the course.
I mean, they were home for months, and that does something to your mental health. That does something to your spirit in a way, and I think just to be back with their friends and with people that are kind of going through the same thing as them, I think they are following the rules.
With this week's View from the Hill, I'm Amy Bingham.